Thinking about coming to open house? Not sure why you should attend? Well, here are just 5 reasons why you should attend our open house events. Reason number 1, this is your opportunity to meet with future instructors and see live program demonstrations. Reason number 2, receive a student-led campus tour and see the campus firsthand. The 3rd reason to attend, learn how to pay for college. Be sure to talk to our many financial aid advisors about the bursaries and scholarships available at Mohawk College. Reason number 4, win cool prizes. If you haven't accepted your offer yet and you still need to apply, you can do that right on campus at one of our open house events and take home a great prize. Reason number 5, get your questions answered. Meet with me or any of the other recruitment advisors and learn all the answers to your questions. Visit, explore, apply. Join us at our open house events.